Hello and welcome to the 7th installment of my Python tutorial series. In today's video we will be going over while loops. So what is a while loop? Well, as I said in the last video, loops in general is just a piece of code that keeps iterating and never stops unless it returns false. And while loops is one type of loop. Now let me show you how a while loop is structured. Alright, so a while loop is structured like this. It uses the keyword while at the start and then the statement. Whether depending if it returns true or false, it will print out the statement at the bottom after the while loop. And it's also the statement is also followed by a colon, so it knows that this little line over here is a while loop. So let's execute this and see if it works. So right now it's printing in loop and it keeps printing over and over again. It may not look like it, but it just keeps printing out in loop because it just keeps returning true. We can also implement other functionalities into our while loop. So let's say we want the loop to only run once. I mean, just as, hypothetically. So let's capture this in a variable, loop equal true, and then we can just add over here while loop. Now if we wanted to only run once, then we could just do loop equal false, and then after it goes through it once, it will return false, so it won't go through it again. So let's run it and see, it will only run once in loop. It only printed out once. We can also have our while loop run at a certain amount of times. So let's get rid of this and let's do, let's make a variable quickly here, max loop time equal to 0. And now, get rid of this. And now if we do max loop time by 10, and then max loop time plus equal 1. And then if we run it, and there we go. It only runs 10 times and it breaks out of the loop. So that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you learned while loops from it. And if you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comment section below. And I'll see you in the next video.